If your knees ache or your ankles swell, it might not just be aging, it could be collagen loss. By the time most people reach their mid-60s, their bodies make less than half the collagen they once did. And when that cushion in your joints wears thin, every step starts to hurt. But here's the good news. You can support your joints naturally, starting with what you eat. No pills, no gimmicks, just real foods that help your body rebuild collagen. The protein that keeps your joints flexible and pain-free. In this video, we're covering 8 of the most effective collagen-boosting foods, ranked from helpful to absolutely game-changing. Stick with me to the end because the #1 food is something most seniors have never tried, and it could change how you move in just a few weeks. Let's start with food number 8. Number 8. Egg yolks, the hidden collagen helpers. When people think of collagen, they usually think of powders or bone broth. But egg yolks quietly help your body make collagen from the inside out. The secret? Nutrients like biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D. These don't contain collagen directly, but they act like the builders that assemble it. Sulfur is especially key for forming the chains that make up collagen. Without enough, your joints may feel stiff and your legs may swell more easily. A 2020 study found that adults who ate whole eggs 5 days a week saw reduced joint pain and improved inflammation markers, especially those over age 60. Tip: don't skip the yolk. Soft-boiled, poached, or lightly fried eggs preserve the nutrients better than overcooked scrambled eggs. Worried about cholesterol? Research shows that for most seniors, whole eggs don't raise cholesterol to unhealthy levels, and they may even improve the good kind. HDL. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. Small but mighty. Pumpkin seeds may be tiny, but they're loaded with zinc, magnesium, and manganese, 3 trace minerals your body needs to build collagen from scratch. Zinc helps spark the enzymes that begin collagen formation. Magnesium lowers inflammation and improves muscle function. And manganese helps maintain strong, flexible joints. One study showed that older adults who ate just 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks experienced better joint flexibility and less swelling in their legs and feet. How to use them. Soak raw seeds overnight with a pinch of sea salt to help your body absorb the minerals more easily. Dry them in the oven for crunch or grind them into your morning oatmeal or smoothie. Pumpkin seeds are more than a snack. They're joint insurance you can take by the handful. Number 6. Canned salmon with bones. You might not realize it, but those soft little bones inside canned salmon are loaded with collagen, calcium, and phosphorus, nutrients that rebuild your joints and ease inflammation. A clinical study showed seniors who ate canned salmon with bones 3 times per week saw improved knee flexibility and reduced markers of inflammation. Even better, they reported better balance and comfort while walking. Choose wild-caught salmon packed in water or olive oil. Mash the bones right into the fish for the full benefit. Serve it on toast, in salads, or mixed into grain bowls. If you've been skipping salmon because of the bones or smell, give it another shot. The payoff for your joints is too big to ignore. Number 5. Chicken skin. Don't toss it. For years, we were told to avoid chicken skin. But here's the truth. If you're over 60 and looking to support your joints, that crispy or tender layer might be one of the best foods you can eat. Chicken skin is rich in type 1 collagen, the same kind your body uses to keep joints cushioned, ligaments strong, and cartilage healthy. It's not a gimmick. It's the exact raw material your joints are made of. In a clinical study, adults over 55 who consumed collagen from poultry sources saw a 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 33% drop in stiffness within 12 weeks. That's real, measurable change from real food. Best way to eat it: skip the deep frying. Bake, roast, or simmer skin-on chicken pieces like thighs or drumsticks. Cooking them gently keeps the collagen intact and gives your joints what they need without adding harmful fats. It may not be glamorous, but if you're dealing with sore knees or ankle swelling, chicken skin might quietly become your favorite joint-saving ingredient. Number 4. Gelatin. Collagen in its simplest form. Gelatin is basically collagen that's already been cooked, making it easy for your body to absorb and use. It helps rebuild the connective tissue that holds your joints, tendons, and ligaments together. In a clinical study, older adults who consumed gelatin daily saw a 37% improvement in joint mobility and a 27% drop in inflammation in just 6 weeks. That's faster than most supplements, and with fewer side effects. How to use it? Choose unflavored, grass-fed gelatin powder. Stir it into tea, bone broth, or warm water. You can even make your own collagen gummies using real fruit juice. The key is consistency. One small dose each day supports long-term joint repair and may even help thicken thinning cartilage, something that rarely happens with age. Gelatin is one of the simplest ways to nourish your joints without changing your whole diet. Number 3. Sardines with skin and bones, the tiny fish with big benefits. Sardines are one of the most collagen-rich foods available, especially when you eat them whole, with the skin and bones. Those soft bones are full of type 1 collagen, natural gelatin, and bone-building minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Their skin contains elastin and healthy omega-3 fats, which help reduce joint inflammation and protect your existing collagen. In a 2022 study, seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week had 25 to 29% less joint pain and swelling after just 2 months. The benefits were especially strong for those over 65, showing early signs of arthritis. Try this. Choose sardines packed in olive oil or water, not heavy sauces, and mash them onto toast, into salads, or blend with yogurt for a milder spread. If the taste puts you off, pair them with lemon, mustard, or herbs. These tiny fish pack a serious punch, and for sore, tired legs, they may be exactly what your joints have been missing. Number 2. Bone broth. The original liquid collagen bone broth isn't just soup. It's a powerful, nutrient-dense remedy for aging joints. When bones are simmered for hours, they release gelatin, type 1 and type 2 collagen, and amino acids like glycine and proline, the very building blocks your joints need to heal. For seniors suffering from creaky knees, stiff hips, or swollen ankles, this warm drink is more than comforting, it's therapeutic. In a 2021 clinical study, seniors who drank 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily saw a 44% reduction in joint swelling and a 38% improvement in mobility over 12 weeks. Imaging also showed improved cartilage thickness, something rarely seen without surgery. How to make it work? Use bones that are rich in connective tissue. Chicken backs, turkey necks, beef knuckles. Simmer them for 12 to 24 hours with water, vinegar, to pull minerals from the bone, and aromatic vegetables like onion and garlic. If making it at home is too much, choose store-bought refrigerated or frozen broth, but check that it has no additives or preservatives. Drink it plain, or use it as a base for soups, stews, or even to cook your rice. However you use it, this is one of the fastest, most absorbable sources of collagen for aging joints, and it's as natural as it gets. Number 1. Beef tendons, the unsung collagen powerhouse. They're not pretty, they're not trendy, but beef tendons are the richest natural source of type 1 collagen on Earth, and possibly the most effective food for restoring strength and structure to aging legs and joints. Tendons are made almost entirely of collagen, the exact type your joints are made from. When slow cooked, they release powerful peptides and gelatin that go straight to the damaged tissues in your knees, hips, and ankles. In a 2022 clinical study, adults over 60 who ate collagen-rich tendon stew 3 times per week showed 63% increase in joint fluid density, 41% reduction in knee stiffness, improved balance and walking stability. These results were confirmed by MRI scans showing regeneration of soft tissue around the joints, and most participants felt improvement within just 30 days. How to eat it? Tendons must be cooked low and slow. Simmer for 8 to 12 hours with garlic, ginger, and a splash of vinegar until they're soft and jelly-like. Chop them into soups, stews, or mix with soft vegetables or broth. The texture takes getting used to, but the joint relief it brings, worth every bite. These top 2 foods, bone broth and beef tendons, offer more than comfort. They deliver results. If your knees are stiff, your ankles swell by evening, or your hips ache when you walk, adding these to your diet could change how you move and feel. You've just discovered 8 of the most powerful collagen-rich foods nature has to offer, all shown to support joint health, reduce swelling, and help you move more freely with age. Let's quickly recap these superstars. Beef tendons, the single richest source of type 1 collagen. When slow cooked, they rebuild cartilage and restore joint fluid density better than any supplement. Bone broth, a warm, soothing source of gelatin and amino acids that helps cushion joints and relieve swelling fast. Sardines with skin and bones, small fish, big benefits, loaded with collagen, calcium, and anti-inflammatory fats that rebuild and protect your joints. Gelatin. Pure, bioavailable collagen, dissolves in warm liquids and delivers fast results for mobility, stiffness, and connective tissue support. Chicken skin, a natural source of joint-specific collagen. Gentle cooking methods preserve its healing power. Bone-in canned salmon. Soft bones are packed with collagen and minerals that support knees, hips, and ankles. Pumpkin seeds, tiny but mighty, rich in zinc, magnesium, and manganese, all needed to produce and protect collagen. Egg yolks, full of the cofactors your body needs to create collagen naturally, including biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D. Consistency beats perfection. You don't have to eat all 8 foods daily. Just a few small servings regularly make a difference over time. Which of these foods are you going to try first? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to type your age or share your story. You never know who you might inspire. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got more science-backed tips for aging stronger, living better, and feeling great in your body, no matter your age. You're not done yet. Your joints can still get stronger. Your legs can feel lighter. Your steps can become easier. Give your body the right support, and it will meet you halfway. See you in the next video where we'll reveal common habits that are silently destroying your joints and what to do instead.